adlaw kanatong tanan. On behalf of the Ramon Aboitiz Foundation, I thank you for joining us today as we launch our online exhibit about Gabii sa Kabilin, our Night of Heritage. I remember when Gabii sa Kabilin was first conceptualized and launched. I had just moved back to Cebu and joined Rafi after having been in Madrid for several years. And when Dr. Joy Hera spoke about this idea of organizing a Night of Heritage patterned after Germany's Long Night of the Museums, I remembered a similar event that I so looked forward to in Madrid, La Noche en Blanco, it was called, and how exciting it was that we might have something similar in the Philippines and in Cebu especially. It was fortunate that we found a partner who was willing to join us, Monsignor Pono, and the Visayas Association of Museums and Galleries. So they were willing to work with us to bring this new idea to life. And our very first Gabii sa Kabilin on May 25th, 2007, was participated in by 3 museums and 1 heritage site. And we had, I think, around 200 people join us that evening. So over the years, it's really grown to include so many more museums, heritage sites, more partners, more people, all coming together to learn, appreciate, and celebrate our collective heritage, and especially the work of our museums. So we're also very proud that it has inspired other cities, other local governments to hold their own Nights of Heritage. And even within the pandemic and the limits that this is all placed on us, the closure of our museums and heritage spaces, the group has found a way to bring the celebration to Cebuanos and Cebuanos around the world via the virtual space. So this is really something to be very proud of. And we continue with this celebration today virtually with an online exhibit that will showcase the evolution and history of Gabii sa Kabilin since 2007, so that we may appreciate really the work that's been done and, most importantly, the impact that we've made. I think it's safe to say that we're pioneers in this country in this respect, and I'm so proud of how, as a group, we've come together and done our part to connect Cebuanos today to their past in very meaningful and fun ways. I hope that this exhibit encourages us to continue to collaborate and to find ways to bring museums and an appreciation for Cebuano heritage closer to the people's hearts. So I got a sneak peek of our exhibit today and enjoyed seeing and remembering the sights, the performances, the food, and the happy faces of people as they went around the city. I remember how for some years there was always the threat and the reality of rain, and still this didn't stop us. I have really great pride in how the different stakeholders, the museums, the local governments, artists, police, schools, even the transport sector came together to stage this activity that crisscrossed sectors, cities, and really even generations. So I think this is an example of what we can do with when we, as we say in Rafi, when we bugsay together. So before I close, I would just like to once again thank our partners, past partners, for working with us to make this event possible, to show people that it's possible, and to bring it to the people. Your collaboration over the years, and hopefully in the years to come, is really very important to us. And I'd like to invite those of us who are here today, who could be new partners and bring new ideas and new life and new ways to bring our heritage and heritage spaces closer to the lives of people. So I'd like you to join us and help make Gabii sa Kabilin a continued source of pride for the Cebuanos, and an institution really in the hearts of all, and especially young Cebuanos today. I hope you enjoy walking through this virtual memory lane and appreciating what's been done, and also continuing to dream with us of ways that things that are still to come. So daghang salamat, and I hope you enjoy.